What's going on? It's the Green Dot Whisperer, and we're back at it again. Now, guys, we are running. I know you guys see it running. So, we're going to take a look at what's happening with Bitcoin and Algorand. I am currently in an Algorand trade, and I already took profit off of a Bitcoin trade because my take profit was at 46K. Actually, a little bit upset about that because I wanted 47. I didn't realize that I put the take profit at 46. It's okay. A win is a win. But Algorand is definitely still open because I am staying true to my word. And I got to put my money where my mouth is. We're not. I'm not just making these YouTubes and doing nothing about it. I'm making these YouTubes and actually doing what I'm saying, and I'm pretty happy because it's been equaling out to money for the last 2 weeks, basically. And so here we go. First of all, big important notice: if you are not a subscriber of this channel, if you like this content, please subscribe. Please hit that like button. It means a lot to YouTube, and it means a lot to me. It motivates me to make more videos. So let's get to business. Algorand day chart. This is how. Remember, I tell you every time when these signal lines go through the histogram, that's the pump. And the second one is not even touching the histogram yet. So Algo is going to keep running. It's still not done. And so my take profit for Algo is at $1. It's, as you can see, that's not too far fetched. I actually took profit before at 90 cents. I had said that in my last video. And then I went back in because I said, I saw the chart. I knew it was going to keep running. And I'm going to check the altcoin dominance because I'm pretty sure that would had a bearish diversion on it, which means all alts go up when the dominance goes down. So I knew this was coming. And it's playing out. The $1 is not a far-fetched target. That's very easy to do, especially when the histogram starts crossing through that, when the signal lines start crossing through that histogram on the MACD. And like I said, EMAs are always your support and resistance. This green one right here is your 100-day EMA, which is the only thing standing. Let me see. The only EMA standing in our way right now. And that level is actually above $1, which is a good sign if your take profit is under the EMA, So that 100-day EMA is at $1.05. And I really think this dollar is going to do something, though, because if you come back here, we wicked the dollar before. We wicked it before, and then you see what happened here. So we're going to pay close attention to this. I am still very bullish. And this is what I wanted to see the weekend bring us. A lot of these pumps usually happen in the weekends. You got to pay close attention to the time and day and when you're taking trades. That's why I always recommend it's good to have a trading journal, and just you see different things that other people don't see, things that you can't really tell on the charts. You know what I mean? So to me, from my experience is that on the weekends, we get some of the biggest pumps because the institutions are not trading. It's less manipulation, the way I see it, the way I describe it. And come Monday and Tuesday, that's when all the hedge funds and all the institutions and everybody is back in Monday through Friday. And I feel like that little Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday period is when they start dropping it. When it starts coming back, it starts pulling. Because guys, it doesn't always go up. Why doesn't it always go up? Because people take profit. That's the only way you make money is by taking profit. And that's why they hate the crypto market. They say, oh, the crypto market's so volatile, but that's why they hate it, because we make money way quicker than any stock person. A lot of the rich people in stock, especially Warren Buffett and Charles Munger, the reason they hate it is because they always preach, oh, do 20 years in the index. 20 years in the index and you're guaranteed 12% on your money in 20 years. We don't have to wait 20 years in crypto, okay, to get 12% on average. I can make 12% a day, especially if you're leverage trading, But whatever, let's keep it going. Went on a rant right there, but sometimes you have to. So yeah, I'm being greedy with algo. I'm taking it to the top. No more, take profit, go back in, take profit, go back in. It's okay to do that, especially because you're trading. When you go back in, you're trading with your profit. I compound my profits. I compound my gains. So, but to be completely honest with you, my take profit is the 800 on the 4 hour, which is actually like a 40% gain because I'm only doing a 2x. I choked it because on a 2x from where I entered at 90 cents, the liquidation is only 48 cents. And if algo ever gets down there, that's a bad day for algo. But the way I put insurance on this is that I keep a bag ready to buy at 48 cents or lower. You got to monitor the charts, but I like this. This is a very good choke point, especially if we start running from here. Nothing is guaranteed. So, but we still have the same way I've been preaching the last few times, how you want to see beautiful EMAs in order, 800, 200, 100, and the 34 in order like that. Is the same way we are trying to make this day chart look, but it's not there yet. We still got to work our way higher. Well, this day chart doesn't have that much because this is Bybit actually. Hold on. Let's go to Binance. You see that? Binance has them all. Has the 800, the 200, 100. But you see how it's out of order, okay? The red one is a 13. The gray is a 34. And then your 800 is still above. We broke above it. The candle opened above it, which is a good sign. Then you got 100 and 200. This is way out of whack still. We want it like this. Look at this. When this got tight on the day chart, you see the orange? Well, this is your 800. Orange is your 2, 134, 13. Look what happened over here when they're all in order. This is what you want. We're fighting out of our bearishness over here. We're still not like this. We're going to get like this if we continue to go up. This is going to probably go up to like $1.17 and then get rejected and come down. But that is perfectly okay. That's what you want to see. You want to see those rejections. You know why? Because when this happens, you go up and go down. The only thing that changes is that these EMAs get tighter. They get closer together and they bunch up. And when they bunch up like this over here, that's what you want to see. And because as soon as they bunch up, then you see them spread apart. They open up. They open up for you and rain money on you. All right. And we're not even there yet on the day chart. It's coming. This is still us fighting out of a bearish hole. So once we get like this, then I'm going to be like, hey, guys, we're in the bull run. EMAs are spreading apart. We're still flying. Look at this beautiful parabolic move we got over here. It's not yet, guys. Not yet. We're doing good. We just broke above the 800, but there's going to be some playing around here, maybe a little bit of consolidation until we look like this. And then you see this green shade. This green shade is going to be activated on the day chart. And if you follow my last 4 videos on Algorand, you've seen that we've been tracking Algorand since the 1 hour chart green light up. Since the 1 hour chart, EMA's getting in order under the 800. And we've been tracking this and following it up to this 2 hour, 3 hour. We're going to see if it's on the 4. I don't think we lit up the 4 hour yet. And then look at this tight, broke above, and look, and then we finally made it. We finally got the 200 over the 800. And this is just the beginning. Even if this goes down, like I said, these EMAs being in order are going to act like your resistance now. So it's a bed of resistance. I mean, a bed of support. I'm sorry. It's a bed of support. That's what we want to see. So we don't, crash straight through it. When you crash straight through it, it's when we go out of order. When the EMAs go out of order on the opposite side, you see that? Boom, 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 boom. And then they spread open, the same scenario, the same thing. And then this is when they're most spread. This is the biggest drop. Now we're waiting for that same scenario on the green side now. So yeah, we have the 2 hour lit up, but this is the difference between the 1 and the 2 is that that 800 is still above us. So we're fighting against that, and I'm pretty sure we're going to make it above it. At least to that take profit spot. But let's see what the 3 hour look like. 3 hours also lined up, same scenario, 800 above. And see, the 4 hour is going to light up. And this is why I am going to be greedy this time. Because if the 4 hour lights up, that's enough power to push it up to $1.10. Even if the 800 wants to reject us, I made my money all the way up before the rejection, all the way up to $1.10. And we're not even lit up on the green shade here. So you see this green shade, that's where the power comes. And this is about to happen. Why aren't we lit up yet? Because the 100 is still trying to make its way above that 200. Once this 100 crosses the 200, boop, Chart Champions indicator is lit up and working, okay? And if you want to get your hands on that indicator, I'm going to put the Chart Champions link in the description below. And go ahead. It's a Telegram group with a lot of knowledgeable traders sharing ideas, tips, and tricks. And go ahead and go in there, and then you could request from our developer that made this indicator for us using our strategy. And then you can have it on your trading view. So I'll leave that link below. And yeah, this is going to happen. Even if we have little small pullbacks here and there, like I said, it only helps to make the EMA squeeze and get tighter. And that's what you want to see. And once we, light that candle up, light this indicator up, hopefully that's going to be the power we need to go above. We're not even overbought yet on the 4 hour. Let me see. Yeah, we still got room to run because the 1 hour is way high. Oh, no. That's a good look, too, because we were up here. So, yeah. Well, we got room to run. This is still going. We're going to get the dollar. Without a doubt. We're getting it. So, hey, I haven't ate none of my words yet since I started making these algo videos about a week or two ago now. So I don't plan on eating my word now with this. We're going to get that $1 mark, and I'm going to try to wick it up to like $1.10. I don't think we're going to stay at the $1.10 yet, but I think we can definitely manage a wick. If we go parabolic, we get a nice big green candle. That's going to be me. Give me that money. Give me that profit. So enjoy this run, guys. Remember I said we was looking at BTC as well. We needed to break this 45K. And honestly, this is my entry on BTC when I got in. 44,978,000. And we took profit at 46K. 46,000, which wasn't a bad run. They had my liquidation at 2,800. And I think I was using a 5X on that. So not bad liquidation at all. And I was a little bit upset because I wanted to run this up to 47K. But it's okay. Money's money. I took profit. I won. The money's safe. So I can't be too upset with that. Let's see. Yeah, this is it. So we was fighting. 45K was a significant level because it was a strong level of resistance. Now we finally broke above it. What do we want to see now? We want to stay above it. We want to close today's candle for the day. It's going to close in 1 hour and 24 minutes at 7 o'clock. No. It's at 8 o'clock. Okay, daylight saving or something. I don't know. The timer's right here, guys. The daily candle closes in 1 hour and 24 minutes. Now, when that closes, what we want to see is the new candle open and stay above that 45K level. A lot of the times when we have this breakout like this, we run up and then we go down and we touch support. And after we touch support, that is usually the best run after that. If we bounce back up, you know. So we're gonna keep watching this because Bitcoin. I'm not done with Bitcoin. I'm not done trading Bitcoin. I told you that Bitcoin on the day chart has the 800 underneath it. You see how the 800 supported it, right? EMA is support and resistance. So over here, the 800 supported Bitcoin. Didn't let it fall through. Thank God, because everybody would have lost their mind. And now, same scenario. We're fighting. We're fighting to get these EMAs in orders. They have to be in order. We do not go parabolic if they're not in order, guys. This is like a trading science. It doesn't work without it. You see this? Wouldn't you want to catch that tight EMA squeeze? This is what you want to catch on the day chart, a tight EMA squeeze, and this is what you enjoy. We're not there yet. Even if we go down, they're going to get tighter, and that you might want to take that second touch. Sometimes when it starts falling, once we start printing a red candle, one of my favorite things to do is to break out the Fibonacci and see where the second touch can be. You know, sometimes if it's still very aggressive and very parabolic, you only get the 0.5. Some people want to be greedy, or not greedy, but safer, I guess, or more disciplined, you could say, and get the 0.61, which is the golden pocket. So, and if we were in a bearish scenario, if I seen signal lines crossing through the histogram downward, I would probably wait more for like the 0.78, but we're not. We're aggressively going up now, so I would be shooting more for a 0.5 on fibs. So if it's a smaller time frame than the 4 hour, then I'll try to get the golden pocket. But on the day chart, we're not over yet. I'm not gonna break out the fibs until I see the first red candle on the day chart to try to predict how low can we go. So let me see how high we could go, because we could do this the opposite way. We could take the very highest point and take it down to the very lowest point, and then that golden pocket would be rejection, most likely, or even this. So rejection, according to the fib, on the way up, we already hit the 0.38. The 0.5 is 51K, 182,000. The golden pocket is at 55,000, basically 55,410. You can see those numbers right here. So those are going to be different levels of resistance and different places that it can get chopped down. All right, guys. So stay tuned in, stay alert, stay alive, trade safely. Let's go, and don't do what everyone does when we go bullish. Everybody's like, woo, bullish, we're running, yay, Bitcoin to 100K. No, it doesn't happen right away. So get that out of your mind. Bitcoin to 80K or 100K. That is not going to happen. I am here to tell you that is not going to happen until these EMAs get into order like this. Once these EMAs are in order like this, like it was back here, then I'll start saying something like, oh, we could do 100K. We could do 80K, but not yet. It's not going to happen until these EMAs are in order. Okay, guys? I'm not here to sugarcoat it for you. I'm only here to give you the facts and my experience, my 1 year of experience, but I learned a lot, and I'm doing very well after 1 year, okay? I'm excited. Every time I learn more in trading, I'm excited to see how far I can go and take my bank account up with me, So stay safe, trade safely, trade smart, Don't look at how much money you made. Look at how much percentage you made, okay? Value the percentage made more than the dollar sign. Because if you have a small account and you make 40%, you might be like, oh, it's not a lot of money, but it's 40%. How many people are making 40% in one day? Not too many. So value the percentage, not the dollar amount, especially if you're trading with a small account. Because small accounts, that's where people get greedy. They say it's not enough money, but I'm like, bro, you just made 50%. What do you mean that's not enough? But 50% of $100 is only $50. So you got to value percentage and compound your profits and keep that thing building and building and building. And everybody will be all right. Okay, I hope this helped. God bless. Just a quick one, and celebrate. Because this is way better than where we were falling and consolidating before. So this is a good start. All right, guys, congratulations and thank you.